Dear students, in this video I am going to explain you immutable type value to a function. Means when we pass immutable type parameters or arguments to a function, that time what is the effect of argument value and when it is passed to the function. Means when the argument is of immutable type and its value copies to the parameter of immutable type, and whatever the changes done in the parameter and the effect will be reflected to the calling part of a program or not. This thing I am going to explain you using this program. This is the function here. Its name is myfunc and there is one parameter, that is a. Our first statement is inside my function. Means just the purpose of this statement is to print all the statement written inside the double inverted comma, and the next statement will execute. That is its value will be printed here. A means what the value will be here. Means it will print 3 here. Means value of a is 3. Then this statement will execute. It means 3 plus 2 5. Then this statement, value of a now changes to a. Here the value of a is 5. Then after that, this is the last statement of this function. Then the control comes to this line. Means the first statement of this program is this one. This is the first statement, and whenever the Python interpreter reads the function header, it just ignores means remaining statement depending on a function, or you can say statements of a function. Then this statement will execute num equal to 3. Then after that, it will print the value of num here. Here value of num is 3. Then this statement will execute. Then automatically control transfers to this part. In this part means value of num1 copies to a. The aim of this program is to explain. Means whenever we pass immutable type parameters in a function, means parameter, or you can say arguments in a function, whatever the changes done inside those parameters, it will reflect to the calling part of a program or not. This one actually num1 means this variable num, it is a global variable here. Num is a global variable, and here the a is a local variable. You can say here a is a local variable. A is a local variable, num is a global variable. Means immutable, actually the concept of Python means immutable types are like int data type, float data type, and boolean. They all are comes in the category of the immutable type, and one more is a tuple. It is also means comes in the category of immutable type. Means the Python variables are not storage containers. Like in other programming languages, the variables are called as storage containers. Means the purpose of the variable, whenever we declare those variables, and their purpose is to allocate means space in a memory according to the data type of the variable. But in Python, the variables are not storage containers. Python variables are like memory references. Means it stores the address of a variable. Means you can say variable stores the address of a value. Means like here A is 3 here. It's means A is 3. Here A stores the address of 3. Same thing here, means like this is a global variable. It is allocated and it has different address, and same its value is copy we are copying here, but both have different addresses. This is the purpose of the Python variables. The aim of this program is to explain you about immutable type arguments are passed to a function. Now, in another program, this program, its purpose is to interchange the value of variables, and first this statement will execute the function header. When this function header encounters in a program, Python interpreter just ignores it. Then the control comes to this part, num1, num2. Both are global variables, and here one statement, it prints the value of num1 and num2 before calling a function. Then after that, this means function call statement execute. Here we are calling the function, means this function we are calling that its name is swap, and there are two arguments here, and the value of num1 copies to A and num2 copies to B. Then this statement will execute, means it prints the value of A and B. Whatever the value we are passing here, it prints the value of A and B. Then this statement, the purpose of this statement is to interchange the value, means the B means value of B assigns to here A, means this variable B assigns to A and A assigns to B. Then it prints the value of A and B after interchanging it, and then the control, means this is the last statement of function. Then the control comes to this part, like firstly I am telling you, means after executing this program, what is my aim here. The value of num1 is 34, then 56. What it is printing here? Value of num1 equal to 34 and num2 equal to 56 before calling a swap, means this statement is printing here this time. Then which one statement, means the control transfer at the time to function, it is printing the value of A, that is 34, and B 56. After interchanging, the value of A becomes 56 and B becomes 34. Then the control returns to the function calling part, that is a main part of a program. Then this prints the value of num1, it is 34, num2 is 56. Means here it means this one num1 and num2, they are global variables and A and B are local variables. Means they are referring to a one memory location, and means they are referring to the different memory location. This is the aim, means both have different memory location. Actually in immutability, means both have different memory locations. This is the concept of immutability. In next video I will explain you about mutability. Mutability means whatever the changes are done in the function, means whenever we pass the any argument in a function, and whatever the changes are done in a means argument, and these changes reflect to the calling part of the program. Okay, that's all about this program. I forget to execute the previous program. Okay, where is this program? This is here. See here, this is the output of this program. Means first this part is executing here. This one part, means this part here, calling my func 1 by passing num1 with value this one. Value of num is here 3. Then this statement will execute, and after that it is printing inside function. Means num is a global variable and a is a local variable. Thank you.